See that dirt line I just made? You see that clean line right there? See that third brake light right there? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I'm gonna show you how to take that out. Look how easy. Grab, pull, and pull. And that gives you access to. Come on, come on, baby. There you go. You gotta get them outward. See, these guys get hooked up. Then we need 10 mil. Unplug it. Get those out. And there you go. These guys actually hook it on. So I would actually squeeze these puppies back on. Right? Back up, I mean. Or back in, or whatever. To get these puppies to line up in here. Because they hold it in place. As well as, you see? They hold it in place as well as be your screw guides. You see? Put the 10 mils back. Plug it back in. Line everything back up. And then like it. Don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.